All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol IBRC, currently at number 6 for the position over here in the Investors Hangout MVP stock contest right now. Out of 130 picks, this one is currently at position number 6. With that being said, 0027, you guys had a beautiful move coming off the 20-day and 30-day simple moving averages. If I can zoom in right here, I mean, coming off of this bottom down here, triple zeros, beautiful moves, comes down to the 30-day simple moving average, and then broke through it. Right here would have, oh no, it's going to fall apart. That's what it would have looked like. But over here on Friday, things turned around. You guys bounced right off of this support line at 0013. Really nice. Beautiful move off of there. You guys now have a gap at 0021 and 0023. So definitely keep that in mind moving forward. It could end up filling that before it moves. But I really like the way that this thing has turned around and bullish now for the first time since February 27th. February 27th is going to be the last time. Turned around. I really like the way that's setting up, guys. I mean, 0021, 0023, there is a gap there. I am going to mark that just to have it for the record.
Yeah, I don't know. There's two quarterly reports over here I'm looking at from February 2nd, 2017. One was for the period ending June 30th, 2016, and the other for September 30th, 2016. So I'm guessing that probably brought them up to date. Did we ever go over this one? 3.6?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I went over that alone.
Without me. All right. So they had a press release. Let's see. Where should I start? All right. This latest quarterly that I'm looking at from February 2nd, right? It shows that they do have revenue. So, but there's nothing to go back on because of the industry that they're in. So the revenue is showing $917,432 for 2016. So they're obviously making money, which is always a plus. The total operating expenses was $884,276. So they had a gain of $33,156. For the year 2016. But like I said, it's new. So let's go to this March 23rd, 2017 press release they had. It was iBrands Corporation enters final stages of filling 13 million CBD order, initiates joint venture discussions with a famous rap star. So iBrands Corporation Incorporated is in final stages of a 13 million CBD order. We opened escrow and are now finalizing the transportation of the order, says Miguel Mixon, Director of Sales for iBrands. We expect to have the order before the end of the month. So iBrands has also been fielding an overwhelming amount of calls for bulk CBD. In the last month alone, we sent out over 30 samples to various manufacturers and retail companies. Sourcing is getting tough as supply is drying up. Mixon went on to state the company has also entered into talks with a major celebrity musician rapper who has a large presence within the cannabis industry. Due to the sensitive nature of the negotiations, the company cannot mention any further details at this time. So Miguel Ogborn, as many know, I have formally stepped down as CEO of iBrands, but will continue to help the transition of the new team and completing the projects I have started with iBrands. It truly has been my pleasure working for a company with such a promising future. I couldn't be more excited about this new opportunity. I expect that the talks will conclude shortly with a positive result for both parties. Not only will iBrands expand further within the cannabis sector, but also add a much admired and liked celebrity to the company who will represent us within the media and help us make strategic business decisions. Further, the company announces that it has entered merger talks with a new complementary entity. We expect to fully report on this new development in more details over the coming weeks. So that's that, man. So there's obviously a lot of things going on with the company. So about the company, so iBrands Corporation, they're a holding company that acquires and operates niche market brands having unique market positions within sectors that demonstrate return on investment potential. Business partnerships throughout the United States, Canada, Mexico, South America, and Europe provide our brands many markets to expand into and produce consistently high growth rates for the next decade. So their website is www.ibrandscorporation.com. And if you want to continue doing more due diligence on the company, just go right over to this IBRC board on Investors Hangout. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using Investors Hangout daily by posting right over there on that board.
All right, Joe, thank you. And like you just said, all this stuff is completely free. The time and sales, recent news, filings, financial. Why pay other sites when you can get it completely free here? Especially the time and sales is a great tool. If you come home and you don't sit there and watch level 2 all day, you can actually come home and see each time and price for every single trade throughout the day, even the history of the trades of the stock. So definitely a great tool, very useful. As far as the chart goes, 0028 chart looks to be setting up here again. Gap at 0021 and 23 might fill before another move. Resistance at 003, support at 0022, 0018, and 0013. Just like I said, remember there's a gap there. The volume is definitely picking up. We'll see how it plays out. It could run from here, in my opinion. And we'll see. IBRC, if you're following this one, make sure you hit that like and subscribe and share this video with all other investors, either on different social networks and different message boards. We'd appreciate it very much. And if you have a hot stock you'd like to see us take a look at, let us know over at investorshangout.com/live. If you let us know there, we'll take your hot stock and add it to the list.